Going to this next, blood-forming stem cells are important because they grow into different types of blood cells. Ano yun, Doc? Hindi ko naintindihan. Well, going to the next slide, the main types of blood cells natin, no, are the white blood cells. Napaka-importante yan sa ating immune system. White blood cells. Pagka ang white blood cells natin, pag tumaas, pag nakita ng doktor yan, aba, may infection po kayo. Dok, paano mo nalaman? Di ba? Manghuhula ka ba? Dito lang ang tinitingnan namin. White blood cells. Pag tumaas yan, you have an infection. More than 10,000 to 12,000. Pag mataas na mataas, doble, triple, napakataas ng infection mo. So, it is our basis for giving you antibiotics. Red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body, no? Pag mababa ang RBC mo or red blood cells, ay, ibig sabihin, ano ka? Anemic. Therefore, kung anemic ka, Dok, anemic, titik ako ng iron. Yes, aabutin ka ng ilang sako ng kaiinom ng iron para itaas yun. But it helps. I'm not saying it doesn't help. But there are other things. Nutrition, no? Maraming malakas magpataas ng ating red blood cells. Yung ating nutrition, for example, very rich, mga munggo, mga talbos, mga kangkong, marami. Liver, no? Kaya natin pinapakain ng mga ganun ng mga buntis because they are going to have a lot of blood loss during childbirth. Therefore, they have to store RBC. Dapat mag-ipon ng RBC. So, number 2 yun, RBC. Main types of blood. And platelets. Platelets, you need that for blood clotting, di ba? Pagka nasugat ka, pag maganda ang platelets mo, ayun, nag-clot. Ang bilis, nawala. Mababa ang platelet count mo, dugo ng dugo, tuloy-tuloy ang dugo mo. Therefore, you lose a lot of blood. Dengue, pinapuksa ang platelets, namamatay. Kaya pag critical, bumaba ang platelet mo, you will bleed to death. Maraming namamatay sa dengue. Kaya panay ang platelet transfusion. Wow. You need all 3 types of these blood cells to be healthy. So, white blood cells, red blood cells, platelets. Kailangan mo lahat yan. Okay? Bakit ko sinasabi ito? Ba't mo, ang layo naman sa cancer niyan? Because when you have cancer, kinakain lahat ito. And you have to be replenished for this, no? These cells. Para ibalik. Ang chemotherapy kasi, pinapatay din yung mga yan eh. So you have to be, kaya nagba-blood transfusion tayo sa mga nag-chemotherapy. Bakit? Kailangan i-blood transfuse para makimo ulit. Kasi kung ibibigay natin lang iaasa natin doon sa kanyang blood picture, aabutin niya na several months bago maibalik yung 3 na yan. Okay? By that time, wala na. Kalat na yung kanyang cancer. So you need these 3 main types. Okay?